are here at the E-Lofts in Alexandria, Virginia. Now, I know you're thinking when you see these call buttons, you're probably of Otis Newer Series 2 or 4 or Series M2. But wait till you see what we have on the inside. We don't got no Series M2s. We got 401s. Let's go to DE. D. That's the service elevator, which was added on or replaced. Let's go up to 14. Here we go. Whee! Very smooth. Very nice too. 13th floor here. From 14. Nice classic leveling. Alright. Let's go down to DE. I love these. Excuse me. Here we are on DE. Doors are a little rough. Here's the interlock. I'm not sure if those used to be elevators or if they were gonna have a total of 6, but they just never installed them. Back up to 14. We'll transfer elevators up there. You're on 14. Let's see if we can get a different one. Can definitely tell this place was definitely an office building, and it was converted into apartments. I don't know when, but I'm definitely glad they left the elevators original. You got drinking fountains too, and public bathrooms. The fact this place used to be an office building, like, the clues are all around you, but unfortunately those drinking fountains don't work. Are these open? No, they're not. They're locked. I'm not going to do too much snooping around because this is an apartment building, but there's a little look around. Like I said, that is the service elevator, which was added, but we don't care about that one. These are way better. What's interesting is these light up blue like traditional Newer Otis buttons, but they click like the yellow Series 2 buttons do. This one. All right. D. Listen. My ear just popped. And you know what? I think these deserve one more ride. Here we go. These are awesome. Alright, listen to this. I love the sound of the motor. So look at your buttons. 80A phone. And there's your firefighter's phone. And here we are. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna end on 14 because I think I'm gonna get some stills of these. Stop on C. You going up?
Yep.
What floor would you like?
14.
Perfect.
Thanks.
All right, thank you. You have a wonderful day.
You too.
Oh, there it goes. That'll be it.